जय श्री राम। आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है मेरे YouTube चैनल गणित के ज्ञाता पर।
Today we'll be solving exercise 1.2. So let's solve the problem number 1 of exercise 1.2, that is state whether the following statements are true or false, justify. Okay, so the first statement given is every irrational number is a real number. Okay, so since we know the real number is a collection of rational and irrational number, है ना? Irrational numbers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So therefore all the irrational numbers are real numbers. Okay, so the statement given is true. Let's take an example also. Root 3. So root 3 is an irrational number, and it is also it is a real number as well. So we have justified it with an example also. Okay, now let's look into statement number 2, that is every point on number line is in the form of root m, where m is a natural number. Okay, so let's take a number that is root 3 by 2. Okay, this is a real number. Okay, when we look into the number line, so all the real numbers are present on the number line. Okay, all the real numbers are on the number line. So root 3 by 2, since it is a real number, so it will also be present on the number line. Okay, somewhere here. But 3 by 2 is a rational number, but not a natural number. We have already seen natural numbers are, what are natural numbers? Natural numbers are 1, 2, 3 and so on, all the positive integers. So 3 by 2 is a rational number and not a natural number, but it is present on the number line and it is in the form of root m. Okay, so we have proved this statement is false. So this statement is false. Now let's look into the third statement, that is every real number is an irrational number. Okay, so when we see the real numbers are all the rational plus irrational numbers, है ना? Irrational numbers. So suppose 1 by 2. Let's take an example. Let's take a number 1 by 2. 1 by 2 is a real number, but it is not an irrational number. So the statement given is false. So this statement is not true for all the real numbers. Okay.
So यहाँ पे खत्म होती है हमारी आज की क्लास। अगर आप सभी को मेरा वीडियो पसंद आया है तो प्लीज लाइक माय वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल। जय श्री राम।